Rock-a-bye Jude in his pretty swing. He's ready to nod off from Nana's poor singing. He is a sweetie, a beautiful boy. Nana loves Jude, oh yes she does. Jude's gonna meet Papa on Saturday. We know who Jude's favorite will be, 'cause Pop sure can play. On Wednesday you'll meet a new bright sunny day. Thursday Uncle Chair comes and you'll love him so. Aunt Katie will come on Friday night, and you'll meet so many people each day of your life. When you go home to your beautiful nursery, you'll see how gorgeous the room is for you. Mommy and Daddy made it so beautiful, with a Z for zebra right looking at you. And you'll meet Eloise. She'll be your favorite Pop. She'll love you and lick you all up. You are the cutest little boy I know. Say hi, Jude Mateo Zola. Tonight you will be one holy gold. I love you so, my little Jude Mateo. I think that you are the cutest boy in town. Love and kisses from your Nana. Love and kisses from your sweet Nana, who loves you and adores you oh so much. Oh, what a beautiful swinging boy. What a beautiful swinging boy. Someday when you're a big boy, I'll show you this video, Jude. What, sweetie? Why, you've been up such a long time. Yes. Okay. I love you. Say I love you. You are so beautiful and alert. Yes, you are. Oh, don't cry, Cookie. No.